for me that said they be our generate. Now, only maybe this year, Facebook Live. Now, me D A and D, Nancy, from the butterfly, natural so. The Bia Meka say, I am not impending for, and I am a many upon the parents. Omunyambre, in Kankamami for Omunyambre, Jen Kunyats and I say, Everton Bama Wari. Sayana Mihudi Omoye, Nipped Namawari, was the Masabets Nawari. Just a midget who cry. I can't think fat. Now, me cow said they be any poor chimney, and bets now screen of small way for fair fennel, ears touch. Fennel 0241 483347. We really are penalties and me bar. I have a friend saying, Iris sense perfect hope. Now, also a gem way to be any diamond. Some mets na now me for program no embro. You should go Instagram rs_scent_perfect. You should know more candles any fragrance papa. See I do so the deco so I can any amount. We are not simple. So they be our number a triple mommy Instagram, Facebook, any YouTube. Eddie mommy for fair and my wow TV so we need you. First simple 0571 983333. You WhatsApp line now. If you have those suggestions, the first one 0561 599 123. Your handles no lipsticks and wigs. It will be PR. Which are YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And they are reverend with your heart. You know, a better tresa and common. Because men tiasi, so I saw them in so tifino. Also, one tiasi. If what dream become a dream, now you be several some questions. Be ye try your home. Ye back. The program will be to us. Wait, and left service. Maybe see ya. Yeah, me don't forget that say watching Brenna watching me now, Makwapa. Some catch us say, Reverend Roku, and fear her. You know, air bechichi and como. Afa very lovely topic. And me did say, who will be some questions about it, but you can't want some until you my young corner so straight not your name casa. Daddy Net is saying,
I am Adam.
Yeah, and that's what you're saying, dear Shio. Dear Shia Bill. Yeah. Now, Daddy, ye be some question be ye say a question I'm ready to hold. Ye bear deliberately on it. But if I now be me questions, I know at their mommy. Yeah, besides say, should parents involve themselves in our marriages? And then the question that whole. And can come the bay what you take, but me per se, one me would dare come watch our remuno. Na and we will dear you know our remuno. If I say I know come some crack, na you won't dear co. That is young quay.
Sure. The kind of my mother said, "I invite me to be my mom program."
Some cancer myself.
Whether what you for, and then what have for, so I say. So topic are always a very interested topic and controversial at the same time. Should parents be involved in our marital affairs? In a way, at the point they should, at the point they should not. I mean, can scripture be?
Okay.
Genesis chapter 24 from verse 1. Abraham was now very old, and the Lord had blessed him in every way. He said to his senior servants in his household, the one in charge of all that he had, put your hand under my tongue. I want you to swear by the Lord, the God of heaven, the God of the earth, that you will not get a wife for my son from the daughter of the Canaanites, and among whom I am living. But you will go to my country, my own relative, and get a wife for my son Isaac. All right. Where scripture king can hear kasa ba Abraham Bible say onyankopon mani free na ja na fi call asase o che no so share ni nyina bam wadi bi akoyi ne mpani fees no nyame dom no ma no ba ayefe no Isaac okay awo nyame de ne beto a bosha Abraham so na Abraham aka kra ne mpani fees so a yemre no ka kire na ko ase ne nko nyina omo chief se ne be so ko payere bre me ba Isaac but she me boss fucking a night for man bi she me boss
fucking a night for man amuna hini
on say na Abraham abetna sa area ho Canaanite for area na unim say these are people are woman nyankroponi covenant
okay
as abosom so man sakru yes for sakru ya na later no onyankopon di Israel for free Misraim obe destroy mu di Israel for bedia
okay
enti Abraham na ka che na kwa so nhye bose okoi oni na bronco fa samani bi ni mo be ko ono Abraham ase akofa ono an native cheze ni krum ni ba busiani bebe sa de aba and then zonko wale infre busian wale se refre mu ba
okay busian papa mu no
because na omo wa adwene bi se Abraham nti aso de sanse se nhira wo so na wale obi anome one so a
say
it be se nhira no
okay
so nti se nhira ko ba bi nhira wo and na senebe ya onkofa obi a wonsuru nyame na ne bad influence on the bano abese ya pamoni nyankoropon ewo onza o he yen ya manie ne ya ikwanso akane no nanka yese okwa wale abusa edinka obi be wale a waso aware bema ne papa ene na sede se odi na ni toto obusiam na o he abusia sebe aso wale mu a omo hwe se di kan se bia o wale na wo a ayale fu mpie ho
okay tete no mai papa no mde omo ye no
mo ye
so mo no mo ware mo ma
ai omo reason omo de yesa ne se abusia wo kom na wale a ayale fu mpie mu ana
okay
mema cost abusia ma wale a ya esi wo yi e de na ya na etoto won sen ne koma won tie no na tetefo ne de hwe but the two scripture can one say ne advantage no the disadvantage very good now an advantage in more
okay
enti kwan bi so no on say awale ya de bia obi sia de as a medical doctor she infidu a obi di well school and san wa be professional engineer lawyer infidu a obi di nanso doctor here juma obeba pension lawyer here juma obeba pension but ade ba ko pe e na ko ma ongo pension ne awale de obi anzu ni wa ko school ansa na de abewale
okay
so eno nso ni ade anka onipa wo tena mu ache enti se obi an ko school no de abewale dia kwan bi so na sanka unya life coach bi ewom na an eye opener bi yeah but advantage I wom ibini se enam so bi an ko school no de awale nti na se senka unya nti na ye Christopher normal bi wale a man go to the period of counseling
okay
se na ba obenye nimdie bi faun se se ne ohun awale se etra nya sa na tie the awale bia go through stages o do he ma me ne papa no ma o mo wale foforo a o beto mo awale mu na ze o mo wale 40 years 45 50 years no mo teto abaka ze o mo nkonda but o ma kwa but mo na o mo tena che no no mo hu o mo no mo te o mo ase te won ze beto no bi we akwala wo mo a bibi na papa be ya o ma me hwe di ni bo mfunu asere se me wa ni suban ni o on se sanda de otia anote so mri bi atwem no ne ko ho ba wo ne tena che wa gura be tena se o iswa papa nso tumi kan o ma me ni suban ni o on se sanda de otia anote so one advantage or the disadvantage
okay na that the young ko en and I was a parent to me every marital issues
let me who say one say awofo no ebinimu adwen a wo de ko wo mo ema wale mu no ebi de adwen bone ebi nso de adwempa also utumi wale ne bi a oba wale no utumi se ne papa ana ne maame bi uzo ye selfless e ba ne se bi a bibi asia onyina ne ba echi but o come from the general he said we do what can we do at can we ade ache no ase uja ne ma no ma wale no uja o ma wale okay ene wa ufu bi ono nso wa some interior motive and selfish interest bi onu amukura wale na ne ba na wale no wo mpe yes enti onipa sa na se ma na kwa ma ne ba wale ne ma awale na nwu a e ya wale ne basa fanese oni wokunu awale de ebema wawofo anya wokunu ne ho do enyina ye wo do mo do wo ne mo di bia den aka omunzumi no wokunu no nchen wo no mo wo no enti se bibia si bitunu wokunu na ntema no apre won akoka kire wo awofo ntema no apre na awofo nso ate na mo bam mo no a ode niema ofu so kun ye wa wo mpene ko wa awofo no na wa awofo no do mo ma wokunu na esote na ekunu kakrakra kudi kakrakra ti finally ne be kwa ko du baby de o meka ne se
awara ni jana brefi
because yin to me mani nkuma ye
no crap
awofo bi enu wa awofo se ne ba ni kunu ne yire kunu be ga se tenase no nku like was say obema no nso say na busianfo do ne yira eye ne ho do abusianfo no wo ma no mo de bia kan oba nzi bibi no ya no de kono no so na busian no do mo ma ni kunu no ana oba no esobete nti awufo eye se omo be advice wo ma efa awale ho so awale de na fomo me no papa tena ye no ni fi ase ne bi esin ya fa ne ma bebem ni abedru ho in that area of bad interfering se bia saying na monya no say na monya no oba de owo no du eji bia so wo advice na wo ja no mo take decision
okay
enti fanesenka awale fo na kwan so pa dia the person to the audience so man interfere and oba awale should be your pastor
okay
yeah because no I to say oh yeah neutral person on side on go gina at the side of bawo kakra mi na awale sam ko awofo do awale sam ko awofo na say egu awale ne ba
na that unhu ne say eya na yenum ni kuno mbeza they behave childish into the ya banasano because bibi trivial bia no more fano so high na omo de ye nneoma bi ma aware no enisi egu ana enisi ne fapem ne kosi sakra na omo ma nneoma bi ese unhu ni say me kan say omo tim na ye omo de
on say na me ka say marriage dey go through stages. Sometimes over wale oba and abema. I also nim le pa bi crown ne sign fi bebre. But won share the nim no to so ne betina dan ba kum. Okay. Tana under the same roof for some time. Yeah. For instance, obi a wedding go honeymoon e ma wale ne go.
Oh, and they wedding in Yumbe ko honeymoon I go.
Ade chain na one backfire.
Oh.
The only problem is oba asore kan go ya chene so oba eso sore ntam pebibi ma okunu di nti wa prepare some afeni ku be mai sore bura washroom ko ru nanim ko pisti oyi blush fa president no ebufui
ade
no tiemu regina oba no se the wo si frame ne bu ofu na ofrefre na no ma go ye ebibi a omedi asin to be for now man to friend oba ko no na den na we hear sir president no dey ache no na hear sir no say my den no say den we mia ne to na mia ne vivi
no be ma no mpo ba
no what dey tie me I na mia ne to ne vivi no mia ne to no say oh okay ti we enti no afre me na dey say we dey enchro ba bia say mia ne to na mia ne vivi di hia ne say me mia aba na ma pesti ye odi na bra na metwa wo se gina eso optimase bobe man se so ba ne tina so ba nso se David go nti ase bi ya ni minti wase bi amasa ye ne ntam ne bra na me ye bibi me yedi wa eso optimase nti we kan nka we aye obe man so wa challenge no I'm very needy. I'm so much problem.
Childishness.
But what say? There is something to learn from this thing.
And because
say, they are all coming from 2 different backgrounds.
Yes.
If it's my say be a Berman, the background with free no. Any single thing I be asked, there will be somebody will be around to check you.
Okay.
Say, yeah, don't do it this way. Do it this way. It means all balance of background with free no. Yeah, and papa be a government worker be.
I'm a
police need be a transfer na to baby. Ne ma me market to man, I will matching up and tamako akope. Near my summer baby. Indeed, was around my channel and no cry and my man in Casa. Abraham discards or in so. Oh, sorry, she only and Muko school ban where they move BMP. I am on the fee. Me quaba. Enti or wow for. But I want you to fear or you mistake or checking the something will be uncontrolled. To when you all the days of life, the days of the life without being controlled. It is a Berman or one to be on so free a bushia. Who mammy papa 24/7 and I be bisa. So, person in a woman and women you will be a frabo to next time in the say. It is said. Ono obema na ya hye ne so adi so na okowale obon no bi ani ne so no grow that na oye na adwun so opeso oye ne saa wo hye ne so saa asom ye mavio
na de ye begina na ya jenkrato ye basisi ya twa ye ho ba enko wie ne ye yesia de programming ALF Rex ye basisi ya say what chairman na mako aba and then sua die na reverend ofia nso obasa no dia eya na minja no kra be se ye sua bibia na wa wotifie woni je na me amete anso meni eje reverend na ye kono na me ka about the childishness kakra e wona wo ka woman story bi so on ya sure say ko ba na ka say yo mate wo the next time me nyen san ka sa se me genzi
ba on say want to be Obana cancer can be chasm so. Nanso, and also another man is expected. And Obana so I'm family.
Na Bama so one casa na
you know, once marriage is the could not because of problem titru be as you know they can kind childish things be seen and some see a trim and some say high end keke no gyina so na senior but the senko be man adwemba so hun say me background titi be free yanko oba no so be a titi free yanko nti say me wale na tons na me expect so be na dey say me ma dey when you say men cry wale omo problem with their wife and they say the wife does not cook the way their mothers cook we anga say the bobra yeah so that is and until parents interfering in marriage you know in a way one advantage in a way one disadvantage but most of the time you know nka period the sesen ke me ya for bawalim period awali ni egu
meme am hu ni say mema no so jai so mu ye baby so awai we madam so for be the kind say mema no so mu jai so mu ye baby so why mema no sometimes almost feel say I mean apart from their ego in them they feel say me na me boss will feel bibi ni sometimes also mun tie man so kakra
na say ne bible nyankropon nyansem no bible say oba mere ho asem ne ku na kuni kunzo no
okay
wo de ka mama ego na asem ya mo kai sa na nyankropon ye mema oda say enti oba say ofeso ni ku tsena somdwem na mawale ye peaceful and successful de bia mawuku manenye bema manenye ti fani say ni de ma on say e ma nyame che mo ade bi nyame che mo bibi
na say bema no making to say ye ba na me indivate ka craving ko fa asem mbehye
yo
say bema me waware me now wo ka che me say you have the right to talk with other ladies but I don't have the right to talk with other men We are talking about feelings, for God's sake. Like my feelings ni, also feelings ni. Ye want ye door, ye want ye see a be worry, G2, and then take a call counseling and then you know say worry. Now you worry. I could see say I feel so when you my casa, me who phone so. My catch was a bema. Ya worry ni dia be number. Dia will be ye dia no is against the marriage na ye worry no. What I say, yes, man, you have the rights to do everything you want to do, and I may Oban, I don't have the rights because me Oban or ye man.
Well, Nina no ejina say onyankopon in the wisdom of God. On the marriage, you want your ingredients are marriage is successful. The responsibility of the two partners. And then the management of their life, and then communication, sexual intercourse, and then lastly, handling of conflicts. So, I'm to be managing Sanema for in a year. Marriage in a bit to me unlasting. What I say, oh my head, a studio bar or yen pepe, Bema studio or no so yen pepe. Of the management of their home, someone resources, managing Yama and communication and also play very important role our because communication during communication and between solve our problem we now. Now because we kunu ompe oba otake ukunu in the disrespectful manner unyana komada but look for a nice way o they can sabe o they manadua banyam o ya ompe ni nyama o ya emwa the man go our lady we soldier say we couldn't see say we soldier. Okay. And ma by nature no ma de o maso na wale ye mema de ani na wale. Okay. Ntino nsem bi asabe me ka je me nyanko be ma onye offended o kasa sam jiro ba na offended. As a be a one onyanko be ma kasa wo fu no so bu afu wo makasa matoto mo ho ma be ma 2-3 hours on be cho mo ba na oba kasa wato no ho anyefe on fa ncho nzo da kinom ka nti ukunu ana oyere kura ne no a se wo ba na ho kura do ho akoka na o kai sa de no kura keke putu no
because most of me or that no be ne me kasa and then no chese be money to me jeno o ye no ya so pa ema se ba ne so mo beda o kaipe na ne ho
sana mate e ma de o maso na wale enti no nsem de a wo ka kire no eni jinsem a ka kire no ne ma ne chie wo ho odidi wachi don ase be ma bi ni ne yiri pie be ma oba na address atare o share no wo mpe oba ase na we na de bedi machi ntu nya bibi an hye we na de bedi machi obeka akofa fofrashe mi wa obudi wachi nyina no bia no de okofa she na e ofe but when kasi bi e ofe obedi wachi through at the obonzo onye of herself but bia o share also we fatal but nka me prefer ba ko bi na last year den o share wa condemn ba yin nice until ma way of different from us. Yeah, mema de ani na wale ye hwe fear enfe na attract ye. Ani ti na your banzo na wale wi ngase mawi unsiesie mo ho so. Na wajeja ho sa on that. And the yeah my man yeah mema de ani na man de o maso. Ntino bema de and now the whole year on praise oyere and twen mo bi ngo kan che na abondance atale a wo shi fata no mara wo nkan okay mema bi tsa we to matna the whole of the na dua no kra wo na odua na ekoyi a watale we fata important ni nyina ye wawale yi
okay sani o man kese
ni na ya wale ni
na bi yese wo se bibia be si aware ni bia na edribika ya ko ka che ma me papa
enam kan ka se o ta yesa na ugu wale ni kakrakra esanse wa wofo no pa o mo pe ukunu asem eye asetena papa bi o mo fozo one wotie o mo ne wat awo fu mo frase wo mo bebi an wanyina benyi okay edo mo ma ono o mo ntumi nya sa do no mo bi fufuro bia okay enti wo ma pe ukunu asem aye wo ho do ne bi ti se BBC na o pe wa wale ye they should be the last people are try to solve it yourself. Also, when you go to your pastor. because I know he will be a neutral man. Will be Jinemu as a referee. No one reconcile to baby.
No, most of the time, you know, and member no feel say me cast my down for so we catch me say member no stop if they stop being a baby, sir. What I say, baby or person on country where do I make a
mammy in Yamba?
At the time we are back or ban no ever if you are a money fees or barnacle fewer, and also no can they won't.
I don't make canoe. Ewo mema na chi o mema obachi ben man sese wo de wawale sem ko mama me ma uniama ensese oba no so de na wale sem ko mane ma me ni nuama
say ya no mo say father and for ware we bia no be picture
yeah bi omo ni two safo but yen say yen being Christians so we have to go according to what the Bible says.
Okay.
Answer the obo bibi no your manufacture bibi no the manual that will give you guidelines I bet mama 100 and now when you so identify successfully
yeah
and the nyankropan sem na wo de ebo bra se kristoni wa wale mu dia and sese wo de wa wale sem come on damfo
okay
and sese because obi wa damfo na mu bra no we show where marriage but how so e madamfo or pretend sexually wunti and more now come some outside now was supposed to wale no say no gunu
okay
minimum bia enti eto de eden you call your partner twenta manani anje friend na omachi bi ana go no good mood one of nice of communicating your differences with
okay
so one and nko yes or one amwa the person so consultant should be your pastor
okay
that your pastor comes in
okay
now or no apart from so the mokasa o san boa mo bible the very hour e ko wawofo now so the wawofo na awaleja na eba no because awofo no ba no mo ba be kasa akire wukunu a because so mo do wunti omunye neutral wo be kasa what emotions ni ya bi ntu bo sa wukunu so ahead sounds na we no be kasa aso ma be gina wachi bi na o ma ka o ma dwan kire o yere no ntanu so ne dia awaleja e bai ta fe betom ribi no se wo oba na oba na be ka se de mi kuya mi de mi ntumi a dia na afo so awofo ne beka already no bi udu kru nwa bufo bi asho mum ti onwa se yen kura wa na kura na yempene so den me kura na me support in the first place sa na be man so ko kan mentina hu yentumi mani me ku mayen tina wale jana eba
no daddy usu se say enye den ka bi kire ahwefo
enso so ya me so ana esese yin na nke hweye no na me di kan no awale bi enu a problem ni
okay what experience no
yeah wale bi no problem abofo mi no kura free so ba asase so be wale a ombeko because this is an imperfect world
okay
that is why sometimes we be wale now tenjen no mu nya omo kontokwa na misunderstand about the obo say na wa dofo pa na ko sa unya nko mu ntia remu na behu
tawari bia
no problem but the thing is the two parties should be determined say yeah wale
okay
two say we soja na we kutensu and we kutensu so na we what I say so for penny be say awale a union between two fools when it tip you want me wale
and because bibia be kan ho asem
and I say see bibia nye pepepe o say obi a obi hie o ma wale ache bia no o ma jimi am o ho nti no matena awale ache and it is true we also call say wajenzi nyansani mi na mani ate bibia finchem then awale no nkan the Bible said we should dwell with them according to knowledge. We should see them as weaker vessels. Okay. Yeah, until all these things and allowing our parents to interfere or be involved fully in our marriage affairs. No, parents should advise their children. Like me person me wale, me papa should advise. Kwesi money now for bo bebo for bo so nyame say some na wale no obi bi catch so catch ro some na we oba na nzo wan obi we so catch ba wale wi a bibi nko yi a esa so ye neutral umfara wo for mo ye good kra no be pray no or kasa obe kasa neutral me ma me kan se me kire mo simra no usan o say o wale me papa foforo no bibi saa no ne papa ye na odi natem nti o mu ko hia na ne papa wo no no ye whether wo he prison of ne papa etena so no mo kan asem na ne papa no bu a me ma me forward me papa na nim say no matter what ukunu de nse se wodi natem na o se ne kwase a nti me bu afọ na obusa me papa de me papa eji woni ba no na o so oji akoko na yese me nana no ti akoko no ma me papa na oji momukuma na ma ne we enti me omu wi am papa ndi kan ba nkra na me maame ebusa na papa sa na o so ne so sa na o se me gina wachi a na nse mpesa wo ni na wale negu nti awufo a omu hyeda wo nimdie wa wale mu no se okoka ne ba ne kunasem na so hwe na be man cry at forta onyina ne ba na chi ne mo be gina mfimfim because o gina ne ba na chi pe na nso ogu awale no se wo simi na masem ede na de bia masem ode dia ade na metena ho na ode asambo ne adimi na wakumie no nti matured parent no okomwa obeden obe gina mfimfim but any parents na ne gina mfimfim because be brain no obi be say odo na so won kra eye ne ba no do nti
na ode transfer come
to bon so ade emotions be na egugu abale
daddy come na ede me patcho o social media handles am me so patudwa fa number fa ka ho na me sure pan say oh ahwefo mo hwe ye mo pese won di incommodity 22 if our handles ni go ene o number no
handles no ni ntime mo na mfa no ma no mo nto te me number no ni 0244
patcho mo wie me bisa me mpacho da dikoso
0244 522 603 0244 522 603
daddy nyame sure da sibebre na mo ankasa mate daddy say ma ya awofo no me hyeye mu ya ware mu bebre sa na no na ma ware bu aba ya nkase en try say na ya de dofo ana ye kunum ne yerenom ebeke kansam na ba ne say wo so obi be mu fa fra wo so for new parent why me that say I touch and bia otwenim your friend was 0241 483347 RSent no bia na no moment de bia me the program no ebro simple if share no e wo Facebook ni dia ne simple na but me friend was 0719 833 your WhatsApp number is 0561 599 handles ni na left 6 and weeks your friend Nadine Manson your friend Nad to butterfly Mecho so that's send the everything she makra